Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 5.2, question number 3. First of all, read this question. Here, the distribution of cells in 1000 tons of 400 companies during the year 2014-15 is as follows. Find skewness and its coefficient from this data and state the type of skewness. Okay, distribution of cells of 400 companies, so total number of companies, that means total number of observation n is equals to 400. Otherwise we can also calculate it. Okay, that is given in the question, total 400 companies, so frequency f, total number of frequency 400. We need to find the skewness and coefficient from this data and state the type of skewness. So here, just look at this table. Here, which method is we need to use, that is not given in the question. But just look at this table. Here, first class it is less than 20, and last it is 120 and above. This is called open-ended frequency distribution. Okay, this is called open-ended because n is not fixed. Here less than 20, but from which number we need to start? Here 120 and above, but last number is not given to you. This is called open-ended class. क्लास जो है वो ओपन है, मतलब कहीं तक भी हो सकते हैं, फिक्स नहीं है. Okay, so whenever open-ended frequency distribution is given to you, in such situation we can use the Bowley's method. Here we cannot use the Karl-Pearson's method. We only need to use the Bowley's method. Why? Because if we use the Karl-Pearson's method, then we need to find the mid value x. So mid value of first and last class is not defined. That's why we cannot use the Karl-Pearson's method. Here we only need to use the Bowley's method. Okay. So here cells in 1000 tons is given to you with that number of companies, that becomes our f frequency. Okay. That is also given to you. So now we need to use the Bowley's method. So for that, what we want, we need to find the value of Q1, median M, and third quartile Q3. After that, we can find skewness and coefficient of skewness. Okay. So for Q1, Q3, and median, we require CF. So find the cumulative frequency CF. So here first frequency, as it is 30, now 70 plus 30, 100, 100 plus 125. It is 225 plus 100, 325 plus 40. So 545, 55, 65 plus 20, 385 plus 15, 400. So here our CF is ready. Now we need to find Q1, and for that we require Q1 class. Okay, so class including n by fourth observation, right? For Q1 के लिए divide by 4. So class including, now n is 400. 400 divided by 4, it is 100. Okay, n by 4, 400 divided by 4, 100th observation. So check करो, इसमें से 100 कहाँ पे जा रहा है? तो एग्जैक्ट 100 है. उनके सामने वाला क्लास कौन सा है? सो 20 to 40 वो आएगा Q1 क्लास. यहां से हमें लोअर लिमिट L मिल जाएगी 20, क्लास लेंथ C, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट 40 माइनस 20, 20 CF को हम ऊपर का यूज करते हैं. सो 100 से ऊपर है 30, और फ्रीक्वेंसी F, इस क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी है 70. तो यहां से हमें मिल जाएगा Q1 L प्लस n by 4 minus CF upon F multiply C. Now lower limit L, it is 20 plus n by 4, then we know 100 minus cumulative frequency CF 30 divided by frequency F 70 multiply class length C 20. So this 0 0 cut, so 20 plus, now 100 minus 30, 70, 70, 70 cut, so here 20, 20 plus 20, 40. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आंसर Q1 का जो आएगा वो कितना आएगा 40 और यूनिट है 1000 टन, so 1000 tons. Okay, after that we need to find median. So for that we require median class. So here median class, so class including n by 2th observation, class which includes n by 2th observation. So class including, now n by 2, 400 by 2, it is 200, so 200th observation. Class including n by 2, 400 by 2, 200th observation. So 200 किसके अंदर इंक्लूड होंगे? 2 to 5 के अंदर, राइट? 200 और 100 में तो इंक्लूड नहीं होंगे, किस में जाएंगे? 2 to 5 में, तो इनके सामने वाला क्लास है 40 to 50. So here our lower limit L is equals to 40. Okay, class length C, upper limit minus lower limit 50 minus 40, 10. Commutative frequency CF, और इनकी ऊपर वाली 100 और फ्रीक्वेंसी F, वो इस क्लास के सामने वाली जो है 1 to 5. Now median M, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. So here our L is equals to 40 plus n by 2 that we know 200 minus CF, it is 100 divided by F 1 to 5 multiply C 10. Okay, so 40 plus, now 200 minus 100, it is 100 into 10, 1000 divided by 1 to 5, it is 8. So 48, and our unit is 1000 tons. Okay, so now Q1 median that we get, so now we want Q3. So first of all find out Q3 class. So class including 3n by 4th observation. Here quartile that we send by 4 and third quartile, so 3. Okay, so class including, now n by 4 that we know 100. 100 multiply 3, so 300. So 300 observation. Okay, 100 n by 4 it is 100, so 100 multiply 3, 300 observation. Okay, so here our lower limit L, sorry. Now हमें 300 किस में चेक करना है? CF में, राइट? तो इसमें से 300 किसके अंदर इंक्लूड होगा? So 3 to 5 के अंदर, बिकॉज 300 है वो 2 to 5 के अंदर तो इंक्लूड नहीं होंगे, तो किसके अंदर इंक्लूड होंगे? 3 to 5 के अंदर. तो इनके सामने वाला क्लास कौन सा है? 50 to 75. सो Q3 क्लास आएगा 50 to 75. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लोअर लिमिट L, it is 50, then class length C, upper limit 75 minus lower limit 50. So 75 minus 50, 25. Frequency F, O इस क्लास के सामने वाली वो है 100, एंड CF कॉम्बिनेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी वो हम यूज करते हैं ऊपर वाले, तो इनके ऊपर वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 to 5. ओके, यहां से Q3, now what is the formula of Q3? L plus 3 in bracket n by 4 minus CF upon F multiply C. थर्ड क्वार्टाइल है तो यहाँ multiply 3 आएगा. ओके, नाउ लोअर लिमिट L वो है 40 प्लस 3 in bracket n by 4, 3 in bracket n by 4, उनका आंसर कितना आया? 300 माइनस कॉम्बिनेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी CF वो है 2 to 5 डिवाइडेड बाय F वो है 100 and multiply class length C वो है 25. So 25 4s. Now 40 plus, sorry here our lower limit L is equals to 50, right? So 50 plus, now 300 minus 2 to 5, it is 75, right? So 75 divided by 4, it is 18.75. So 50 plus 18.75 is 68.75 thousand tons. Okay, 68.75 thousand tons. So here our Q1 40, median M 48 and Q3 68.75. So all three values we get here. Now after Q1, Q2 and Q3 we can find the skewness and coefficient of skewness. So here skewness Sk is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. So Q3 68.75 plus Q1, it is 40 minus 2m, 48 into 2, 96. Okay, so here 68.75 plus 40 minus 96. It is 12.75, and here even we need to write the unit 1000 tons. Okay, so 12.75 thousand tons. Now we can find the coefficient of skewness. J is equal to, what is the formula? Sk divided by Q3 minus Q1. Actual formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m divided by Q3 minus Q1. But here we know the value of Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m, that is our Sk. Okay, so use this formula. We already know the answer, 12.75, and denominator Q3 minus Q1. Q3 68.75 minus Q1, it is 40. So 12.75 divided by, now here 68.75 minus 40, 28.75, and divide 12.75 with 28.75, so we'll get the answer 0.44. Okay, you can use the calculator, so answer is 0.44. Okay, so coefficient of skewness 0.44. Now here type of skewness, it is positive skewness. Okay, we get the answer in positive. So here positive skewness. So here open-ended frequency distribution table is given to you. Find the CF, Q1 class, put all the values in the formula of Q1, so we'll get the value of Q1. In same way we need to find median and Q3. After that skewness, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. And after that use the formula of coefficient of skewness, put all the values here, we will get the answer 0.44. And here we get the positive answer. So type of skewness is positive skewness. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt, so please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.